Step 1. Take the drone out of its case and place it on flat ground. To turn on the controller, press the power button once and hold it again until you hear the beep. To turn on the drone, it's the same sequence as turning on the controller. Press the power button once and then hold it again. Take out 2 black and 2 silver props and match them with the dots on the aircraft itself. To connect the drone, open the DJI Go app and connect your mobile device cord to both your phone and the controller. Once connected, the drone's live view should appear on your mobile device's screen. The camera settings would be located on the right side of the screen, just below the record button. To turn on the props, pull both sticks downwards and inwards to initiate the rotors. Push the left stick up and the drone will go up. Push the left stick down and the drone will go down. Push the left stick to the left and the drone will rotate counterclockwise. Push the left stick to the right and the drone will rotate clockwise. Push the right stick up and the drone will go forward. Push the right stick back and the drone will go back. Push the right stick to the left and the drone will go left. Push the right stick to the right and the drone will go to the right. Remember to be safe and happy droning.